Kompa is the art music form of those on the Haitian island of Haiti. Inside, we will see those dancing the form of the plogue, or in a new fashion sense, the guyard. This has never been filmed before on live television in the wild in action. Today we will see those inside doing the guyard. If you actually look behind you, with all this music, they are practicing the guyard. Please be quiet. To disrupt him would be something of a mad intent. Take a look. As we see the younger male attack this female, we notice courtship through the middle, advancement movements. My goodness. The male puts his arm out and strut, his face in pleasement, but the female does not seem to share the same. She looks down, displeased, saddened. The male aggressively thrust. No embarrassment to our cameras. Amazing. The low bend, seen only twice before in the wild. He keeps his arm out for stability. Great movement, footwork. And the rare side boob from the female. Gracious. The male puts his arm out to be pleased. What is this? A lone bull, older male in the wild. Showing movements advanced, not seen before. A younger female sees the older male. The male does advanced movements and gains the attention of this young female. She approaches slowly, asks the male and dance. Male is pleased, brings hand close. These males usually pertain to sweat much, bigger bellies, and advanced movers. Through the middle she grabs his buttocks. She is pleased. This male is clearly advanced, has been doing this for a while. He shows her a low bend at 120 degrees, brings it low, dips. My goodness, brings it back up. The male does something here we've never seen in the world before. He apparently seems to stalk the female as if she's prey. My goodness. The male has been pleased. He aggressively approaches from the backside. Swings back around. Then he thrusts in close. He applies his hand to her midsection to show that he is of no harm. He grabs her hand closely to show he is pleased. 1-2 steps. He does advanced footwork. They are one in the same. He has taken note of our cameras, and now he is showing he is the dominant male by piercing the camera with his gazing eyes. This has been BBC Haiti. Thank you.